Hello and welcome to ERA GP2 Restoration 13. Just another short update to keep you interested. And now we've got some wheels on it. So these are really nice. Nice and silver. Oh, I love these in the centre. Brilliant. That finishes it off big style, doesn't it?
Yep, sure does. Yeah, so wheels by Torino. Thanks to Torino, a bit of a name drop for them.
Yeah.
Dunlop Racing tyres. We've gone for 19-inch rims front and rear.
Yeah.
4.5 on the back, 4 on the front, and 500 section on the back. 600 on the back, 500 on the front. And yeah, they fit. They clear the drums well, which is a big relief. So they're overhanging the drums like we think they did originally, keeping everything slim and svelte, and
yeah,
it'll be quite a delicate car to drive, I reckon, on these tyres. It'll be nice and light and skimpy, and feel to manoeuvre quickly.
So now we've got all this framework painted up.
Yep.
So I presume Olly's been busy
Ollie's
doing
painted
that.
Those. That's right. Yeah.
So it makes it look more permanent now, anyway, doesn't it? You know, with the with all these bits.
Same rear the chassis.
Back frame.
The fuel tank is having its filler neck moved a little bit.
Yeah.
And the tail the same. They'll be back soon. We've got the supercharger just temporarily in place, so we've printed a solid coupling here for the front end to locate it in line with the drive gear.
So keeping Harry busy then.
Yes, Harry printed that for us. 3D XYZ printing.
Yeah.
This will have the chain drive inside it, driving the blower at 2-to-1.
Yeah.
This is the manifold that's already been printed. But this is a temporary one just to line things up.
Yeah.
This block of alley on the back will be milled off because that's just a standard lump that you can mount it off, but we're going to pick up on the bolts. So that bracket's taking shape at the back there, and we'll have another mounting bracket in this corner, and then we'll pick up off the engine block here. So there's not a lot of room to get the manifold from blower up to inlet there, but that's going to be another job done by Harry. Yeah. Designed on.
Steve's been busy today, fiddling about with all these parts.
Yes, because we want to get the blower aligned, so we've been using a digital protractor to get this at the same angle as the engine, offset the same of course, but in line with the gear, and then it's leaned over at 14 degrees to help the carb and help the inlet that tiny bit. It's all flipping tight.
Yeah, very.
And another thanks to Aramoto down in Chesterfield who rebuilt the mag for us. It's a very rare Bosch mag with twin points inside it. It's made of magnesium and it's super lightweight, and it gives about a 10mm spark as you flick it over by hand. So you could weld with it if you needed to. It's unbelievably powerful. Looking for a spare mag, that's a chance in a million, but it would be lovely to have a spare with us so that we could do quick fault diagnosis. But because it's such a rare thing, that's going to be quite difficult.
So
there we are.
We have it. But it certainly looks nice with the wheels on now. Sure everybody will agree. Okay then, so we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.